Part of the original design was to mimic the wacky handling characteristics of many of the Rangers. Steve Jones describes Philip as being the hippie son of a mad professor. And after spending a bit of time with him and listening to him, well, you can see that he clearly was completely mad. But what an aircraft he came up with here in the expert hands, all gone on the feature.
One went inside the other one. The one to one side crossed behind the other.
Oh no.
Look at that, this.
Oh. Oh, I hate it because they're like so high.
On the cockpit now, here the amazingly relaxed relationship.
You can hear them whistle. Can you hear them whistle? Can you hear them whistle when they go past?
Said hello.
Over the top there, yes, I've told you about this before. The birds there going in the wrong direction.
No, I don't like it.
Yes, these guys can handle it all, inside, outside loop coming up. You take a look at this. One of them is pulling, with the other one's pushing.
The red arrows hit each other once, didn't they? They clipped each other.
But you wouldn't.
I think the guy was alright, I can't remember.
Oh, my arm's aching.
Hey, they've got 3 gold and 2 silver medals in the formation category.
Really?
Including a gold medal at the 2004 World Grand Prix.
So there you go, one of them pulling up, one of them pushing. Not very comfortable, they're reverse rolls.
Oh, yeah.
Coming a little more.
I hate
Pushing down at the
these.
bottom of it.
That's me over now.